again. So today we're after the elusive dipper. Now, I've never caught a dipper on image or even footage, so I've seen lots of them, but I've either never had my camera with me or never had the opportunity to have the right gear with me. However, I'm in North Wales, up in the hills, and there's a lovely fast-flowing river here, which I quite frequently visit. I know there's dippers here. There's definitely a pair here. I've seen them umpteen times. Just never had my camera with me. Now, I don't know how well this video is going to go. If it airs, then it means that obviously I've seen a dipper. Hopefully caught it on film, caught an image of it, but we'll see. So please bear with me. This is a definite new one for me. It's an amazing bird, beautiful bird, and I just love what the dipper does. The way, obviously, it dips, bobs up and down, and also how they dive into the water and swim around and stuff. Amazing, mesmerising. In fact, I could just sit for hours watching them. Now, the pair that I've seen here many times, I don't know how they're going to react with me being here. I'm going to be very low down on the water's edge. I'm up quite a tall bank at the moment, so I need to get right down there, right by the water's edge, as low as I can, just to get me that lovely out of focus background and foreground. Hopefully, if I see anything worth doing some video or some stills from. But anyway, bear with me, please. Hopefully we're going to get something. I don't know what, but fingers crossed I am going to get a photo of a dipper today. It's the last thing I do today. I will get an image of a dipper. It's not warm, hence why I put the gloves on today. But obviously it's not cold, but when I'm lying by the water for what could be hours, I'm most certainly going to get cold. The weather's not too bad. The sun keeps showing its face, and it's just casting a lovely light onto the water through the trees. So the sun's quite low, so which is really nice. But anyway, hopefully this is going to work today, and if it does, amazing. As I say, I'm going to be right down on the water's edge. Now, please comment below if you see that I'm doing something and you think I could improve, or I don't know, ask me some questions in the comments below of setup, settings, etc. Because I don't really like to tend to go into settings and everything during video making. There's enough to be getting on with as it is. But please, yeah, ask questions. I'll answer them. More than happy to answer the question. But yeah, it's today's just about focusing on trying to catch that elusive dipper or dippers. And yeah, we'll see what's going to happen. But anyway, I'm going to go and get set up and take it from there. See you in a bit. Okay guys, well that's it. I'm calling it a day. I've just had probably the best wildlife session, photography session I've ever had. Yeah, these dippers are just amazing. And of course, the bonus, well, I'm sorry I didn't get any footage, but obviously you've seen a couple of images of the kingfishers. They kindly popped along and said hello, which was just a bit of a bonus really for today. Today's just been absolutely amazing. I can't wait to do this again, to be perfectly honest with you. It's yeah, just brilliant. Anyway, yeah, I've just had about, what's the time? Yeah, I've probably had about 4 hours down here actually. So yeah, it's certainly been a good one, and like I say, I can't wait to do it again because it's just amazing. I just love it. Being out with my camera, out with nature, out with wildlife, very therapeutic. It is for me. I'm sure it is for a lot of people, but yeah, I just love it. The calmness, the serenity of it all of it. But yeah, it's just brilliant. But yeah, what a session today with these dippers and the bonus added bonus of the kingfishers as well. Brilliant. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope I haven't rattled on too long. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, it would really help the channel if you did subscribe, and I would be forever grateful. So yeah, if you do like that content, share it, thumbs up it, whatever. But yeah, if you have any comments, any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer anything. But yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do for my next video. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just a bit overwhelmed with today really, so my head's a bit fuzzy with it all. So yeah, I don't really know what to say. Yeah, which is unlike me. But yes, it's been an amazing day. I hope you've enjoyed the content of this, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next episode, whatever it may contain. I don't know. Let's see. But anyway, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.